The Amazon is one of the most important regions on the planet. Yet, even today, many people struggle to find reliable information about what is happening there. That's why InfoAmazonia created BOTO, a WhatsApp bot that chats with you and delivers personalized content about the rainforest. You choose your region of interest, you select the topic you care about most, and BOTO delivers news, data, and explanation straight to your phone. Want to understand what is marco temporal? Curious to know about the wildfires in a specific city in Amazon? Just ask. BOTO was designed to support community leaders, communicators, journalists, and anyone who wants to better understand the challenge and richness of the Amazon. Free, accessible, and built with cutting-edge technology. With BOTO, the Amazon speaks to you. Just start the conversation by sending any message.